Welcome to another video. Now let's provide a solution to this problem. Okay, solution. Now we are given square root of 2x on x equals 8. From here, we can make this side over 1 so that it will be uniform. So 1 times 2x equals to 8x. Now, before we can solve x, we have to get rid of the sign. So let's square both sides. So this side will cancel, 2x. So we have 8 squared, 64 x squared. So from here, we can write this one as 64 x squared, okay, minus 2x equals 0. Okay, so from here, now if I take x out here, this side will be x out, 64 x minus 2 equals 0. Okay, so my first solution here will be x equals 0. Okay, and then the other one will be 64 x minus 2 equals 0. That will make this side 64 x equals 2. So 64, that will be over 64 over 64. So x will be 2 here, 1, 2 here. So we have 32. 1 over 32 as the answer. Now we have square root of 2x on x equals to 8x. So equals 8, not 8x. So if I plug in 1 over 32, let's see. So square root of 2 times 1 over 32 on 1 over 32. So we have 2 here, 1. So 32, 2, 1, 2, 16. So we have 1 on 16 on 1 on 32. Okay, so how do we solve this? This side is same as 1 over 4. Okay, 1 over 4 divided by 1 over 32. So this side will be 1 over 4 times 32 over 1. 4 here, 8. 8 over 1 is still 8. Hence, proved. Okay.